Bitcoin, January 29th, Thursday, 2026. Going over the Bitcoin chart, starting at the 1 month time frame. We have price action rising, higher lows, higher highs. Came down directly in November, sideways in December. January popped up, then went back down, retreated on January. We're still overall going bullish, but I was waiting to see where January ends. It's not a reenactment of this, where it went down, sideways, and popped up. It's just going down, sideways, and more sideways action. 1 week time frame, we have price action going above the 200 MA. That's bullish. Came sharply down in November, sideways, all the way across. This is kind of like consolidation type of movement. So we're going to see if it's going to pop up and come back down here, or if it's going to somehow come back up. We're still above 200 MA, so that's bullish, but this is concerning. Daily time frame, price action went below the 200 MA, and 200 MA is crossing or bending down, showing weakness. We're holding here for now. Let's see how long this holds, and we'll see what happens after today and tomorrow, which we have some definite market news, high impact news drivers coming, so that may cause some movement. On a 1 hour time frame, mostly it's consolidation, just going sideways, going above and below the 200 MA. So there's no clear direction on what's going on, so we can't really determine what's going to move until it actually moves. And this is probably the reason, because of the news that's coming up, why it's consolidating, and because it's the end of the month as well. 15 minutes. Got some downward action going on, then sideways, peak down, higher low. So, but overall, in higher time frames, this is just all consolidation. This is all noise. So there's no way to determine exactly where it's going to go. So that's why I zoom out to get a little bit more movement and more bird's eye view of what's happening. Let's see what happens when we add the trend lines on a 1 hour. We got the action lines coming down here, safety lines connecting to the lows down here. And price action is just going just between here until it gets into this triangle type pattern. So it might be just getting narrower and narrower until it pops up or pops down. We'll see how it determines where it wants to go. For right now, in the short term, we're actually just coming down. You can see following down this action line. If we break this action line and get above the 1 hour, that's bullish. If we keep going down past this daily line, then we're bearish. So we got one news report coming up at 8:30. It's going to be this line right here. And we'll see how it responds. We have another news on Friday as well. Let's go over to the heat map and see what we got. We got liquidations up here. At least for the short term. So it may pop up to get these liquidations. A little bit down here, but overall very slow drying market, just waiting for the news to drop. It's going to be unemployment claims at 7:30 here, and that's going to be the review for January 29th, 2026 Bitcoin review daily update.